morning, everybody. This is Michelle with Creative Operation, and I'm here with my Country Craft Creations design team package coming up here for November. And I love the paper collection that I was able to choose, and it's a great fall collection, has really beautiful bright colors. So I wanted to share with you what I got, let you know so that you have time to go ahead and get that. And then I already have a project ready to go, and I'll be filming that here pretty soon. And it's going to be kind of similar to the project that I just got done. Not quite as big, though. That last project was pretty big, and I absolutely love how it turned out. So if you haven't seen my Bountiful Blessings recipe and photo albums, I'll put links down below. But that was a fall recipe and photo album. I'm going to do a fall album with this, and I absolutely am just loving these bright colors. So let's go through what I got and I'll share with you. So this is $49 in Market, and it is a gorgeous ARToptions Spice collection, which is absolutely stunning. So I didn't get all the bits and pieces that go with it because there's so many things that you can get for this, but I did get quite a bit. So first off, I did get seam binding because I love me some seam binding. And it is gorgeous. Let's see, I got beige, and I think it was dark brown. So beige and dark brown. So I got some of that. I'm going to be spritzing it with water, squishing it up, and giving it that crinkle look for the project. So I'm going to be using that. And as far as the embellishments and things go, I picked the Wishing Bubbles and Baubles, and they're just beautiful. They have little hearts. They have little words. They have some with graphics in them. And then they have these beautiful little ones that are like plain, polka dot, and all that. I'm going to love working with these. These are gorgeous. And then look at this. I might incorporate the packaging in my project this time. I keep talking about doing it, and I haven't done it. I might end up doing it because it's beautiful. I did pick up the ARToptions Spice Spice laser cut elements, and there's 89 different pieces in here, and I chose this one because it has a little bit of everything. It has leaves, flowers, hearts, it has tickets, it has words, it has these lace pieces. Look at the lace pieces on the back. Look how gorgeous they are. So these are going to be absolutely stunning in the project that I have in mind. I cannot wait even to show you, because I did the prototype and everything. It worked out perfect, and so I'm really super excited to be using this. That is for sure. The ARToptions Spice Vintage Artistry Spice Ephemera Bits. I got this. So this has 126 pieces in there, and you can see some of them are big. This Viewmaster, adorable. You got the pumpkin here. There's all kinds of different things in here. Again, you have big tickets, we have file tabs, we have journal cards, words, library cards. We have everything in here. So I chose this. Between the two of these, I'm going to have an extreme amount of options to be able to use, and you will too. I also did pick up the chipboard set. I think this was gorgeous, and I loved all the different bits and pieces. You have chipboard tags, you have pumpkins, you have words, some frames, and some index pieces here. So all the cute things, and then a couple butterflies, because, you know, you got to have butterflies, right? So I picked that up. I think this is going to be absolutely gorgeous. And then when I was looking, I was thinking that the Prima flowers here fit the color scheme of the collection absolutely perfectly. So I did pick these up. These are, what was the name of these? Lost in Wonderland. So it's actually supposed to be for that particular collection, but I thought the colors fit perfectly for here. So I did pick up these small flowers to go with this. And then last but not least, as far as the ephemera bits and pieces, I picked up the Spice film strip frames. I wanted to play with these really bad and see what I could do with them. So I'm going to be using those as well. And that's what they look like on the inside. So you have all these really cool film strip pieces, and you have big film strip frames too. So I'm excited to play with that. So let's look at the paper collection, because you guys are gonna freak when you see this. It's absolutely gorgeous. If you haven't seen it, you gotta go check it out. The paper is really super thick. I want to say it's got to be at least 100 pounds. I mean, it is really thick paper. It's really nice, and the paper, it's just the graphics are gorgeous. So the back of that looks like this. I'll go through this fairly quickly to show you. So we have this page, and then you have the butterflies here on the back. Super beautiful. I'm so excited to be using this. I loved this because you have, you know, kind of a color foundation page front and back. So you have mostly orange here, and then you have some that's more light, which I like. So I picked like 2 of every piece that they had. I think there was 12 papers in all. So I picked 2 of each just so I could have all the options. Usually always do that. They don't have journal cards with this collection, so that's one of the reasons why I got the bits and pieces that I did in all the little things. Now there are, like I said, there's more available, so you can pick whatever you want. I love this one. So pretty. The florals are gorgeous, and the teal and the pink, I mean, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous fall color. Oops, can't get that one apart. There we go. So that's that set. And here, I love this. These would be great for, where did the rest of that one go? Did I lose it? Yep, I got it mixed up. No, I didn't. Where did that one go? Interesting. I might have got that mixed up. Or it's mixed up in the package. There we go. There we go. We got that. Aren't these beautiful? Oh gosh, when I saw these, I was just like, I really wanted to work with this. Look at the pink. Really nice fall. A lot different than the brown and the green and, you know, the kind of traditional fall colors. It's really bright and beautiful. It has the gorgeous, gorgeous vibrance to it. There we go. I think I probably got this one mixed up in something else, but that's okay. Look at the colors. Look at the colors. They're gorgeous. All right, so we have this one. And then the back of that one is this beautiful plaid. So that's what I got. And then to use for my project, I picked the Artisan Craft cardstock. So I did get a package of that. All right. So then the next thing I wanted to share with you is that I did do a shopping haul as well. And so I thought I would do that with the rest of this video. So I wanted to share with you what I did. I stocked up. So as you guys know, Art Glitter Glue does not ship very nicely in the cold weather. So I did pick up a couple bottles of Art Glitter Glue. So hopefully that will last me for a little bit. I did get a refill to my Easy Runner that is available at the store. It's amazing, and I wanted to make sure that I wasn't going to run out of that anytime soon because I started using it, and once I got the hang of the little rectangles here, I mean, it's just like, it's really awesome to do, you know, projects like, you know, your cards and things like that. So I wanted to refill that. And then I picked up an entire spool of white seam binding, and the reason that I did that is because I saw Tammy do a video on one of her lives, and she showed us how to dye our own seam binding. So I wanted to give it a try. So I picked up an extra one of these because I want to try it, and I'm gonna do, if I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it in bulk. So I wanted to make sure that I had quite a bit of seam binding to play with, and also in case, you know, I goof up. But anyway, I do want to try that. So she did a live. It's in Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations. It's on the Facebook group, so you will have to go check that out. If you're not a member of Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations for the Facebook group, go check that out. You'll get all kinds of different tutorials from all of our designers, and they're all for free. So go check it out if you're not a member. I highly recommend it. Let's see, I'm going to put this to the side for just a second. I did stock up on some paper, so I did get some white Artisan cardstock. I got natural Artisan cardstock, black, red, and then I got the pearl Artisan cardstock that's actually 12 by 14 because I wanted to play with that size. So this is pearl sheen white Artisan cardstock that's 12 by 14. I do want to play with that size. I haven't done that yet, so I've been wanting to do that. So, and then the other thing that I wanted to do was this is one of the newest collections called Chaps. It's a really awesome masculine collection, and I wanted to play with this as well. So I got this for my own, And I'm probably obviously going to do a project with it, and then I will share it when I do. But I wanted to go through this with you too. If you haven't seen this, this is really cute. I did get the 8x8 collection, and we'll just go through this, but it's really, again, it's really masculine. There's motorcycles, cars, golf carts. I see tools. I see cigar and whiskey. So this is a great project for the man in your life. So you get 2 pages of the ephemera pieces that are really super easy to fussy cut out, or if you have a cut and scan, or you can figure out your silhouette. Which I still haven't mastered that yet, but I haven't honestly spent a whole lot of time with trying to figure that out. But look at the back of that though. Look at the gears. I love the color and I love the gears. You get 2 pages of cut apart. So we've got, you know, golf, we've got cars, motorcycle, all the things. Love it. The scotch or the whiskey. The back of that is that beautiful pattern. I forget like running board pattern. I like that. We got motorcycles here. So you get 3 pages of the actual pattern paper. So that's good. And the back of that is this old newsprint. I love that. We have a Harley. So that was one of the reasons why I really wanted this paper. So here's your scotch and cigars, or your whiskey and cigars. On the back of that, I love that. That kind of marbly thing. Gas stations. Motorcycles, love it. The Texaco station, all the beautiful papers. Look at the back of that. These are just gorgeous, and that's so cute. And it's Homer's Station. I mean, how could I not have this in my collection? Homer's Station. This would be cute as a scrapbook page. This would be cute framed. Put a picture up here. The VW bugs down here are absolutely adorable. I just love that. Tire treads here. This would be cute for doing border strips. This would be cute for belly bands. I'm thinking all kinds of things. The tools. So what guy doesn't have tools, right? There's lots and lots of tools there. Perfect. And I shouldn't say just guys. I mean, girls ride motorcycles too, right? Doesn't matter. But this is just, I just think this is gorgeous. I'm rambling. Sorry. Isn't this pretty? And I love this, the pipes and the gear, or the I don't even know what they're called. This is awesome. I love it. I'm not cutting any of this out too. You guys are going to see how goofy I am first thing in the morning. That's right. Okay. Isn't this beautiful? I love the plaid with the water splotches. That's adorable. And then you have a golf page too. And again, this would be a great page just in and of itself. Put a picture up in here. You got the golf cart down here. And then down below the golf ball pattern. Love it. So I wanted to pick that up for myself. So that's my haul for my next design team project. So again, I'm going to be working with 49 and Market. This is the Spice collection, and I just am in heaven with this. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Go to Country Craft Creations at countrycraftcreations.com. Grab your goodies, and I'll be back soon with a tutorial that I think you're really going to love. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Stay crafty. I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.